PCOS or PCOS in a nutshell. Hi everyone, I'm Doc RB, your high-risk OBGYN. PCOS or PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. And this is a genetic, hormonal, metabolic, and reproductive disorder that affects 1 in 10 women. And this is commonly missed 50% of the time. Those with PCOS suffers from a lot of serious complications, such as your metabolic disorders, which include hypertension, dyslipidemia, problems with your liver, and diabetes mellitus. Some also have high risk for endometrial cancer, suffer from depressive disorders, obesity, and even infertility. To be diagnosed with PCOS, you have to have 2 out of the 3 criteria, and these include Number 1, having irregular menses. Number 2, having excess androgen in the body, which may manifest as male pattern hirsutism, such as having your mustache and your balbas, and your male pattern distribution of the hair. You may also have severe acne. The third criteria will be your polycystic ovaries as seen in your ultrasound. Now, how do we manage PCOS or PCOS? So, in a nutshell, the management of PCOS is actually lifestyle modification. You have to be within your healthy weight range or within your BMI. And then the next management will be symptomatic, which will include those of your symptoms such as your irregular period. That's why for some we give your OCPs or your oral contraceptive pill to regulate your menses, and also to help with your excess hyperandrogenism or androgen in the body. Now, we also talk about your goals. Does your goal include losing weight and also managing your period? Or are you suffering from fertility problems? Now, the management is kind of complicated because it will depend on your symptoms as well as your personal goals. But don't worry, you have your friendly OBGYN as your partners in your managing your PCOS.